So to make these smaller boxes, I'm going to make a new layer. I'm going to call it rename layer. Small box. Okay, and I'm going to change the color of the small box to something I can see a little bit better. And somebody give me a color. How about we make it cyan, okay? Lavender. Okay. So my first small box is going to be 8 by 14 by 14. Okay. So the x is going to be 8 feet, the y is going to be 14 feet, and the height is going to be 14 feet. So I'm going to go to solid, box, corner to corner height, enter anywhere here. Okay, and now it's going to be 8 feet. So at 8 feet, comma, 14 feet, enter. And how high am I making it? 14 feet. 14 feet. Press enter. Okay? Yeah, let me write them down on the board. It's 8 by 14, and then the height is 14 as well. Let me just pause the video for this. Hold on. Okay, so you did your 8 by 14, and then the height was 14. I want to make sure I made the right dimensions here, so I'm going to go to transform, analyze distance. So this should be 8 feet. Oh yeah, it's 8 feet. And this should be 14 feet. Okay, it worked out. And the height was what, 14 feet as well? 14 feet. Perfect. Okay. So here's what I want you to do now. Let's get our z-axis back on. I don't know why it disappears sometimes. Okay. Perfect. I want to move this box over to this side. So move command, select object to move, this guy. Okay. And I want to move this object from this corner to this corner. I just kind of shoved it in there. Do you see that? I can't. The only way I can see that I put it inside the other box is because I'm in ghosted mode. If I'm shaded, I can kind of see it, not really. Right? So go back to shaded ghosted mode when you're putting little boxes in there. It's easier to see. Okay. Now what I want to do is take this box and move it even further back on the west side or the left side. So I'm going to type move. I'm going to select that guy and see, because there's two objects and I'm in ghosted mode, it's asking me, well, which object are you selecting? There's two things here that are, because it's in ghosted mode, it can see everything, and my cursor is on both of them. It's telling me, select which one. I say, no, 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 I want this guy, so I select it. So now it knows which one to move. Okay, press enter when done. Do I want to move it vertically? No, actually not yet. So I want to move it from this corner to that corner. Okay? So what did I just do, guys? In top view, I can't see it in top view. And notice instead of going here, I clicked on top on the bottom tabs here. You can cycle through here as well. I'm going to go to ghosted mode, and this is how it looks like from the top. Okay? That thing is going to be in the back and to the left. Okay? Let's go back to perspective. Now I want you guys to move this guy up 4 feet. So let's go to move again. Select. That's not what I want to select. Okay, so I select again and it selects the little box, but I don't want to move the big box, so I press Control and deselect. Okay. Press Enter when done selecting what you want to move. Enter, I want to move it from this endpoint. Okay, I made a mistake already. I didn't select vertical. So move. And now I'm just going to do a window right here just to select what I want to move. Press Enter. Vertical, I want to move it up 4 feet. Up 4 feet. So I'm going to say, right now it thinks that vertical equals to no. I want vertical to equal yes. And now it can only move it up and down. See, it doesn't even let me go sideways. Enter the value of 4 feet. Then press Enter. All right. This is where you should be. 4 feet up. On the northwest side or the back left side. Okay?